Hello students, today we will be doing VTU syllabus mobile application development labs third experiment, that is sign up activity with username and password. Validation of password should happen with respect to this 4 rules, and then if username and password is given and once you click the sign up, it should go to login activity, and there if you give the same username and password and when you click sign in, if it is same, it should give you login successful, else it should give login failed. And if you try to attempt with wrong password more than twice, it should give failed login attempts. So this is our third experiment. So we will be doing with UI design first. Go to Android Studio, click create new project. In that empty activity, click next. There you give a project name as sign up activity. Click finish. Meanwhile, we will see with UI design, sign up is a text view, username is a text view, password is a text view, and this two boxes are input box, so it should be edit text, and sign up is a button. So here, go to activity main .xml. I will just minimize this folders, attributes also. Basically, we will be having this. So I will use this itself for our heading, that is sign up activity. So once that is placed at the top, you can go to click on attributes and change its name to sign up activity, because we are creating the first part of it, that is this one. So sign up activity, I have to type here. Only when that text view is highlighted, we will get respective attributes here. So I will write sign up activity. If you want, you can change the color. I'll just change the font size here to 24. And if you want, you can make it bold because it is heading. Okay, I'll make it bold and apply. So this has been done. Next, I require one more text box. If you want, this is how simple you can do. Control C, Control V. It will copy and paste the text view again. To see that how it is changing, you can use component tree. See here, I had one. When I copy pasted, I have now two sign up activities, that is text box. I will just drag one of it towards the left. Okay, now change its only text with respect to that, which is nothing but username. User name and colon, and reduce the font size. Instead of 24, make it 18. Okay. So we have done with username, and I want one more. So I'll just click here, Control C and Control V. See, you can see here component tree. Once I do Control V, there is 3. Okay, so now third one is highlighted, so which is overlapping. I'll just drag it down here. So now I just have to change the word to password, that is username to password. I will click here and change this to password. colon. Sorry. Okay, so that is all I have to do with respect to text views. Now I require one text input text box, that is which takes input. So go to click on palette here, it will come, and here go to text and click on plain text, drag and drop beside username. Okay, so which will come. And one thing that we have to do in constraint is adding constraints. So do not forget to add constraints. Okay. So once you add constraints, put in its position, that is beside username, it has to go. And even that is having by default name. I don't want anything to get displayed, so I'll just remove it. Okay, so minimize this palette because I don't require it. Now I want this edit text box one more time. So I'll just, since that itself is highlighted, I will do Control C and Control V. So you can see here, it has not come. Control C and Control V again. Okay, no issues. If it doesn't come there, you can try here, copy, and after that you cannot paste it. So before it, you right click and paste it. So it will come twice. So you have got one more edit text box. So just drag it below it. So that is beside password, it has to come. So after proper alignment of username, password, and two input text boxes, we need one button for clicking. So go to palette again, click on common, there button, drag and drop it where you want. I just want it here at the down bottom here, and do not forget to add constraints and add it with respect to parent itself. So once you have added, place in its position, and I want that to be called as sign up. So I will go scroll down to the bottom in the attributes. Instead of button, I require sign up. So I will type it. So this completes one activity of that is sign up activity. Like this, we have to create one more, which is login activity. Then I will teach you with XML ID that I have to change it for Java coding. Okay. So once you have done with sign up activity, just minimize this component tree and all. Go to, I have to create one more login activity as like sign up. So I need one more activity in the same application. So click on file and new, go to activity here. In activity, I need empty activity. I repeat, in new, go to activity. In activity, create one empty activity which will ask for project name. That is why I had given sign up at the starting. So for this, you give login. Okay, so now click finish. So when as you do finish, you have one login.java plus with respect to that one activity login.xml. So two files are generated, and what I need is, it is simple. I need whatever there in this as it is there, but only few things I have to change. So I will just minimize this. I'll go to code of this activity main.xml. Look into here. I want from the text view, click on shift and copy till the end of constraint layout. Do not copy till the button. Okay, so do not copy the last line. Right click, copy, go to activity login.xml. That is now we have created newly. In that, go to code part, and after this I have to paste it. Control V. So now automatically if I click on split, the same design whatever I have done in sign up will come in login activity. Now I will do necessary changes that is required for me. So instead of sign up, I needed that title as login. So I will change it. Name. Login activity. Is it the same? Yeah, login activity. Username is same, password is same. Instead of sign up, I require sign in. So if you don't want, ma'am, I don't want to change here, you can minimize here, go to click on split. If you click on button here, respective code will come. So it is telling the text is sign up. I will change here. Anywhere, either in code or either in attributes, you can change the values. So the UI design with respect to sign up activity and login activity is completed. So now let me go to the first design, that is activity main.xml. In that, I will take split option where I require both code and this one. So usually when we are coding, we are not bothered about the text views that we have. We will be going with only the where input is required and when we are clicking the button. So we will make sure those references are clear. So this ID we cannot remember. So we will give according to us, which is more convenient. Okay, so this is edit text username of sign up activity. So I will give user underscore sign up. Okay, this I will come, click on this, respective code will be highlighted again here. It is password with respect to sign up. So whichever naming convention you want, you can use. Delete till backslash, and here you give password. PSWD I will give underscore sign up. Okay, see, I've given first one user underscore sign up, and here I've changed to password PSWD underscore sign up. Similarly, I will give here instead of button, let it be, I will add underscore sign up so that I will have the differentiation. The same thing I have to do it in one more, that is an activity underscore login.xml. So click on this XML, go to the first input text box, it is showing. So I will delete the backslash, sorry, that is slash. I will write login or user underscore login just to have the difference. Okay. And here password underscore login. Do not delete that. Let it be PSWD. That is password. It need not be same. Okay. You can just give password completely underscores login according to you. Okay. So that is login, and clicking on button underscore login. So this will help us while coding in Java. This completes our UI design with respect to our third experiment. Thank you.